So today's story, I didn't even say it and you guys already knew. Today's story is all about a little due day. That's right. And this little music note, this little due day, he wants to find his special sound. So he decides to go out and listen to all the sounds around him. And he needs to decide, is that my special sound? Is that my special sound? What is my special sound? Now, the funny thing about this book is that, like my Max story, this is one of the few books where I'm not going to be singing it. I'm going to be using my talking voice the whole time. Now, it's not a long story. It is still pretty short, but it's a very special book because I do think it's important that we all find our special sound. So I'm going to read the story. And while I'm reading it, while you're watching our little due day friend find his special sound, see if you can find your special sound in the story too. Okay? All right. Here we go. One morning, a little music note said to his mother,
"Mommy, I am going out into the world to find my special sound."
"All right," said Mommy. "Just be back before dinner time."
"Okay,"
said the little music note, and out he went. Bouncing down the road, he came across a cow eating grass at a fence.
"Moo,"
said the cow when she saw the little music note.
"Wow, that's neat,
Said the little music note.
but that is not my special sound."
He liked it though, so he put the moo in his pocket. He kept walking down the road and saw a bird resting in a tree.
"Tweet, tweet, tweet, tweet,"
said the bird when she saw the little music note.
"Wow, that's neat,
Said the little music note.
but that is not my special sound."
He liked it though, so he put the tweet in his pocket. Crossing over a bridge, the little music note saw a fish swimming in a brook. "Bloop," said the fish when she saw the little music note.
"Wow, that's neat,"
Said the little music note.
but that is not my special sound."
He liked it though, so he put the bloop in his pocket. After the bridge, the little music note came to a pond and saw a frog sitting on a lily pad. "Ribbit," said the frog when he saw the little music note.
"Wow, that's neat,
Said the little music note.
but that is not my special sound."
He liked it though, so he put the ribbit in his pocket. As he walked further, the little music note saw the wind blowing through a tree. "Whoosh," said the wind when she saw the little music note.
"Wow, that's neat,
Said the little music note.
but that is not my special sound."
He liked it though, so he put the whoosh in his pocket. The little music note walked down the road and came across a little child. The little child looked at the music note and asked, "What's in your pocket?" The little music note opened up his pocket and out came a moo, a tweet tweet, a bloop bloop, a ribbit, and a whoosh. The child listened to them all and saw a cow, a bird, a fish, a frog, and the wind and started to laugh and laugh. Said the little child.
Yes,
Said the little music note.
that ha-ha, ha-ha. That's my special sound.
And started laughing too. The little music note and the little child sat under the tree the rest of the day, making music with all these sounds. Ha-ha! Bloop.
Tweet. Ribbit. Meow.
Whoosh. Until it was time to go home for dinner. Bloop.
Ribbit.
Ha-ha! Moo. Due day. What is your special sound? The end. So there you have it. My special sound. What is your special sound, friends? Did you find it in the story? Maybe some of you did. Maybe some of you need to listen a little more around you to find your special sound. Maybe it's somewhere in your house. Maybe it's somewhere outside. Maybe it's a family member. Maybe it's a friend. Maybe it's a teacher. Who knows? All you need to know is that it is your special sound. So nobody can tell you what it is. It's all you. I'll see you tomorrow for our next video, my friends. From my special sound to yours. Bye.